Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So I literally just got back from Ulta and I was about to be a savage and just open up all these packages, but I was like, you know what? Let me stop, breathe, and rewind because it's been a minute since I filmed any hauls for y'all. So today I got some goodies. I'm excited. We have some drugstore and some high-end makeup. So you already know, grab your cafecito. I poured myself a iced coffee. I was like, I need this for a haul. So sip on your coffee, cheers, enjoy, and let's get right into this Ulta haul. I know last time the lighting was a little bit crazy. I listened to y'all. I closed the blinds. I still like to open up my curtains just because I get so much natural lighting. And here where I'm sitting, like I hardly get anything. I have one light. I still have to work with the lighting, but for now, it's not bad. I mean, this is like as natural and as real as it gets. It's like we're on FaceTime. Hello, answer. I went inside with the intentions of buying only drugstore makeup, but tell me why there was like zero to almost none. Well, zero to none, duh, it's the same thing. There was almost no new drugstore makeup. So I picked up what I could and then I walked my happy butt over to the high-end side of Ulta and they had new high-end makeup. So I grabbed a few things. From the drugstore, we have this new Milani Clean Start Prep Step. It is okay, it's a facial mist. That's what it is. Super cute packaging. It's like this like Tiffany blue, and really all it is, it's step number one for pre-makeup. Prep skin for a toned and even base before makeup application. Hydration boosting formula infused with electrolyte blend, formulated for face and body. So that's cute. I'm excited to try this and see how it looks on the skin. And then what else did we get? Okay, Morphe. So they have these Shape Lifter Micro Contour Sticks. They have a few different shades and I swatched like 2 or 3 of them and this one was like right up my alley. It's in the shade Sculpted. It's really, really pretty. So these are supposed to be like mini bronzing contour sticks. You can use them for the eyes, you can use them for the face, you can use them really however you please. I feel like this would be perfect to do a nose contour. They are extremely creamy and they glide onto the skin. Very nice. Look at that. That color honestly looks really, really pretty. So I do have very high hopes for this specific bronzer. I also saw these little glitter liners from LA Girl. This is the Gold Reflective Shimmer Long Wear Multi-Dimensional Liquid Eyeliner. They only had like 2 or 3 different shades, so I picked up the gold. They had a silver one, and then they had more of a rose gold. This is more of my color. Of course, I wear tons of gold, and this is in the shade Gold Goals. This is the packaging. Super cute. I love the holographic lettering, and then how it's just clear. And this is also like a crystal little clear plastic. And then it's just a little wand. Okay. Not too bad. I mean, you don't get a ton of glitter. You would have to like go over it multiple times. Also, Milani has some new lip liners, and y'all already know that I'm a sucker for lip liners, okay? I love collecting them. Don't know why. I probably have the same shades of brown. They also had some limited edition lip oils. However, I did not pick up any of those. They were very dark shades and I'm not into dark lipsticks all that much or lip oil, so I skipped out on those. This is in the shade Hot Tamale. And oh my gosh, yeah, this is like a really pretty, like a nutmeg with some like red undertones. So that's going to be the perfect fall lip liner. I cannot wait. Fall is my favorite season. I saw that. I don't know if this is a new shade or not, but this is the NYX Fat Oil Lip Drip in the shade Chillin' Like a Villain. And look at that. Is that not the most perfect nude? I was like, these two together, hello, yes, perfection. And then I swatched it in stores and it looked so pretty. It's like a really pretty soft peachy nude. Look at that, like peachy pink. I don't know, but these smell amazing as well. So I picked up that. And then the last thing from the drugstore aisle, I believe, is the new NYX little cheek tints. This is the Fat Cheeks Juicy Plump Blush. They have different ones. They have pinks and like even purples. Of course, I wanted an orange one, but I will tell you why I didn't pick up an orange shade. This is the shade Dragon Fruit Drip. I will be honest, I swatched it and I don't know that I'm gonna love these, but I'm willing to give them a try. So we will see. This is more of a Barbie bubblegum pink, which I'm really into this lip color right now, or cheek color, I should say. I guess the last like affordable thing that I got is from Bioma, the hydrating milky toner. I've been dying to try this and it was sold out for the longest time. I think either Nina Pool or Shelby Ann might have sold them out. One of them two girls talks about this and raves about it. So I picked it up as soon as I saw it. I do currently have a milky toner that I use, but I just want to expand my horizons. Okay. I'm not going to try this, but we will try it together once we do the video. For high-end makeup, I picked up two new products from ABH. This is the Smooth Blur Bronzer in the shade Tropical Tan. Honestly, I feel like Anastasia is also making a comeback, same like Morphe, where they're just like very similar. I wonder if they're manufactured the same. That's a good question, but look at this bronzer. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. When I swatched it in stores, I was like, I knew I had to get it because it is so creamy and velvety, and the way that it's pressed, it is so silky soft. So we will see. I hope this shows up on my skin. I feel like the other shade was a little too neutral for my taste. And then I finally got my hands on the new Magic Touch Blush Trio, which are these. This is a cream blush in the shade Peach. So that's what I meant. I didn't grab a peach shade in this because I was like, okay, I have a peach blush. Let me grab a different shade. And they do have pink blushes, but I didn't want to do that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Like, this is literally so gorgeous and I cannot wait to try it. And girl, I was so indecisive. I was like, should I get it? Should I not? Because I don't need I don't need new foundations. I have the new reformulated foundation from Too Faced, the Born This Way foundation. So let me know if I should do a side-by-side comparison on that one. But picked it up. The new professional foundation. It's smoothing and blurring foundation. I picked up the shade 22 Neutral. It's medium neutral. I swatched it. Honestly, they don't have too many shades. No, I think they do. They have 40, but the ones that I saw that they had in store didn't have too many. So I picked this one up. The packaging is really, really cute. I was kind of sold by the packaging. Look at that. It's like a glass bottle, and the packaging is just cute. So we'll see if it matches, and we'll see if it really does blur out the skin and the pores. I have high hopes, so stay tuned. Last but certainly not least, the new Makeup Revolution or Revolution Super Dewy Blush Burst Blushes. Oh my gosh, these are insanely adorable. Look at all of these. I literally have all of the shades, excuse me, available. I'm only going to swatch maybe like one or two. But these are supposed to be not a dupe, but these are very similar, I guess, to the Huda Beauty blushes. I have yet to try those because every time I go to Sephora, they're always sold out of the shade that I want. Look at that one. That was really pretty. Of course, I would pick up an orange one. This is called Tela. It doesn't have the name. That smells really good. The packaging is to die for. Look at that. Super cute. And they smell delicious. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really pretty pink. These don't have a name though. That's a bummer. Literally, no name on them, but they smell amazing. Last thing I wanted to share with you guys. So these were PR. Forgot to say that. The last thing that I got because it's makeup related, even though I didn't buy it at Ulta, but this was PR. Oh my goodness, y'all. I got this from EXO Cosmetics. This is their brand new Just the Tip eyeliner in the shade black. Do you guys see my eyeliner? Look at how black and matte it is. I thought I wasn't going to like this because it is a felt tip, and felt tip liners usually, I don't know, they don't work really well. Look at that. It is so easy to work with. I don't I've never owned an eyeliner like this. This has officially become my new go-to liner, and I know I'm going to order another one for my makeup kit because it is that good. So that is the end of today's little Ulta haul. Wow, I am so excited to try out all this makeup. I cannot wait to film again. I'm sorry guys that I've been so inconsistent. You guys know that I was very sick from my gastritis, and then literally life was like, let's get really, really busy. And it's also on me because I haven't been very consistent with my schedule. It's just getting back to school. Like my sleep was off, but this week there's no more excuses. So I will be posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I might have a surprise video here and there. So with that said, thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys so, so much. Please stay safe, and I will see you guys all in my next video.